Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you top 5 best fender flares for Chevy Silverado on the market in this year with budget-friendly. Get ready for an in-depth review that'll help you decide if this gadget lives up to the hype. Check the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. So let's start. Number 1. G+ Fender Flares, the ultimate upgrade for your Chevy Silverado. Elevate your truck style with these sleek and rugged flares. Crafted to perfection, they provide a seamless fit that enhances both form and function. The durable build ensures protection against road debris and adds a touch of aggression to your Silverado's stance. G+ Fender Flares strike the perfect balance between utility and aesthetics, making them a must-have for truck enthusiasts. Transform your ride effortlessly with these exceptional fender flares, because your Silverado deserves nothing but the best. Number 2. Dynasty's Fender Flares, the ultimate style upgrade for your Chevy Silverado. Elevate your truck's look with these sleek and rugged flares. Crafted with precision, they blend seamlessly with the Silverado's design, enhancing its aggressive stance. The perfect combination of form and function, these flares not only turn heads but also provide essential protection from road debris. Whether you're hitting the city streets or the off-road trails, Dynasty's Fender Flares ensure you ride in style. Unleash the beast in your Silverado today. Number 3. Tiger Auto brings the fire to your Chevy Silverado with their slick fender flares. Transform your truck style, no sweat. Designed to perfection, these flares fit like a glove, giving your Silverado an aggressive edge. Say goodbye to road debris and hello to rugged protection. Durable, easy to install, and oh so chic, Tiger Auto knows what your Silverado needs. Upgrade today and roll with a commanding presence on any terrain. Your truck will thank you, and so will your envy-inducing style. Tiger Auto, where function meets fashion. Number 4. Cheetah Fender Flares, the ultimate style upgrade for Chevy Silverado. Elevate your truck's look with these sleek and rugged fender flares. Crafted exclusively for Silverado, they seamlessly blend form and function, providing extra tire coverage while turning heads on and off the road. The durable design ensures long-lasting protection against debris and elements. Installation is a breeze, and the custom fit adds an aggressive charm that complements your Silverado's rugged personality. Unleash your truck's full potential with Cheetah Fender Flares, where style meets strength. Number 5. Spec D Tuning's exceptional fender flares, designed to perfectly complement the rugged appeal of your Chevy Silverado. These flares are a head-turning upgrade, effortlessly blending style and functionality. Crafted with precision, they hug the contours of your truck while providing extra protection. The seamless integration enhances your Silverado's stance, exuding an aggressive charm that demands attention. With Spec D tuning, durability and aesthetics unite, making these fender flares a must-have for Silverado owners who crave both form and function. Elevate your truck today with a touch of Spec D brilliance. Stands out as the ultimate choice. Its durability, perfect fit, and sleek design make it the ideal addition to your Silverado. Thanks for watching.